I'm Katherine with the Catholic in a Small Town podcast, and you're watching Catholic Word of the Day, Series 4. Today's word of the day is Baldacchino. Did you know the Catholic Church will often install a canopy of honor over the high altar in a church? It's called a Baldacchino, not to be confused with a Baldwin-cchino.
Put that coffee down.
When erected over an altar in a church, the Baldacchino marks the holiest place in the building. It corresponds with the Ark of the Covenant, claiming the space of the altar as the Holy of Holies for the Eucharistic sacrifice. The Baldacchino can be a piece of permanent architecture or a temporary and portable canopy used in Eucharistic processions. Perhaps the most well-known Baldacchino is St. Peter's Baldacchino, which was completed in the year 1634 by artist Gian Lorenzo Bernini. It stands over 8 stories tall and marks the tomb of St. Peter himself. And now you know. This is called a Baldacchino. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Catholic Word of the Day for more Catholic vocabulary and trivia. And if you liked the sound of my voice, my husband and I do a podcast called Catholic in a Small Town. You can subscribe via iTunes.